The rest, closer to fluorine, higher EN, phosphorus, silicon, aluminum, and magnesium. Okay? So, periodic term, right? So we talk about atomic radius, size. Yeah. At the bottom, get bigger. Across the period, more proton, get smaller. Okay, less proton, less interactions. Okay. Yeah. Electronegativity, IE, ionization energy. Take a look at the small. Yeah, smaller size, more interaction. So need more energy to remove electron. Across the period, more proton, need more energy. Alright? EA and EN, pretty much the same. Closer to fluorine, higher EA and EN. But for EN, make sure you know to find the first stick first. F, O, C, L, N, B, R, S. That's for EN. Okay, and the rest, closer to fluorine, higher EN. Alright? Now, bring up sample test. Number 12, 13, and 14. Do it right now. Yeah, sample test 12, 13, and 14. Oh, do 14. Do number 14 first. Do number 14. Start with number 14, okay? Go to 12, 13, or 13, 12, it's up to you, but start with 14. If you have questions, raise your hand. If you have questions, you can walk around. Is there any TA here this Monday? Do they have a class already? Okay. Yeah, thanks for sample your TA, Nicholas Santo, Wei, Wang Ten Wei. We have Kasi Raju, that's a long name, I don't remember, yeah, India. Yeah, they cover my class. Yeah, so I have time to review for you guys, alright? If you sit there, yeah, go say thanks a little bit. Do number 14 and 12 and 13, okay? Do the sample test.
Girls. You got it. 12, 13. Right? Yeah, good. Oh, we don't have receipts for this. She doesn't even need it. We didn't bring up. I was... Like you have to say.
If you don't have a test, I'm asking you, sample test number 14. What is the answer? Which one?
Oh, yeah.
B? C. Bromine, okay? How do you know that? Closest fluorine. Okay. Closest fluorine, higher EA. Okay, who's the closest? Bromine. Bromine is the closest. Alright, so bromine, the answer. Now, back to number 12. Alright, number 12. If you don't have test, do it right now. Give you 30 seconds. at the test should be something like this. All right, you either ask you to rank or ask you just which one the highest, which one the lowest. All right. So you find them in periodic table first. Okay, you get boron, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur right there. Now atomic radius. Think about size. Right, go down the group. At the bottom is big. So boron, not boron. So we have aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur compete each other. Which one's the biggest? So what we take a look next? Number of proton. Okay, protons. Less proton is big. Who's the least proton? Aluminum. You get aluminum. Okay. Number 13. Most electronegative. Alright, most electronegative. Closest to fluorine, the highest. Who's the closest? Who's the closest to fluorine? Phosphorus, right there. You get phosphorus. Alright? So what do you think about periodic trend? You're going to see about 3 or 4, maybe not more than 5 problems on the test. But make sure you get all of them. That's how much, let's say you get 4. How many points for each one? 4 or 16. That's a lot of it. Okay? So make sure you get this. Do you think it's true? Who thinks it's true? I'm challenging. Right? Studying chemistry is impossible. What do you think? Hey, let me tell you this. If the chemistry is that hard, you take a picture. To understand. I'm not understand right here. We're not going to have all chemistry department people. We're not going to have all drugs that we take in medicine, protein supplement, food, everything, whatever. All right. So that's all chemistry. All your enzymes, how do they work? All your body. To explain, like phenomenon. That's all chemistry. Right? It's not that hard to understand. But what makes a big difference is how do you look at it? Okay, how do you look at it? It's not impossible. It's possible. Right? But the difference is how you look at it. Tell me, the difference between ionic bond and covalent bond. What's the difference from the picture? Let's start with ionic bond. How does it occur? Ionic bond. One atom give away electron to the other, so it looks like propository. You see that? Give the electron to the others. So the one who give out become positive, right? Get positive charge. And the other one, like girl right there, get electron, become negative charge. That's where ionic bond occur. Okay? That's where ionic bond occur. What about covalent? Covalent bond. Covalence. What does it mean? You share electrons if you share. You share electrons. That's covalent. Alright? Covalent bond. So ionic bond, you give away electron. But covalent, you covalence electron. We call covalent bond. So it's the way you look at it. If you think about ionic bond, covalent bond, chemistry, dang it. I don't understand. Nah, but take a look here, it's easy. Ionic bond, give away electron, become positive, become negative, bond to each other. Right? Covalent bond, covalence electron, or share. Yeah. What about this? How do you explain this? Yeah, ionic bond is an interaction between positive charge and negative charge. Right? When it's group number 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium become charged. And just this spot, yeah. Group 7 outside, look like a hot girl. Right? So they bond to each other, they attract each other. Okay? So that's how ionic bond occur. And then covalent bond give an ionic bond. Didn't anybody ever teach you to share? Share the bonds, right? So chemistry is not that hard to understand. Right? You can understand it, but what is different is you add to toward it. Okay? Not like chemistry, I can't do this. Organic chemistry, dang it, what the hell, right? But it's understandable. Okay, make sure you understand, not just like memorize it. You have the textbook to memorize, you can do that. I mean, I can do that for sure. Maybe some of you can. Right? The textbook. But if you understand it, I studied this 5 years ago. Right now, I'm explaining to you. Okay? I studied 5 years ago. Right now, I'm explaining to you. If I memorize, I won't be able to do this. Alright? Because I understand. Okay? So, change your attitude toward chemistry. But not only chemistry, yes, any science or any class that you study. Okay? Everything is understandable. Maybe except biology. I don't know. I still have a problem. Never get A in biology, here, to be honest. Never get A. Just B and C one sentence. And yeah. So let's say you start with that, okay? The test can ask you, what can ask you? Can you guess? If you draw the visual structure, let's say you have water, 2 electrons right here, okay? What are all the tests you expect to see? Huh? Bond angle, okay? All right, it can ask you about bond angle. Anything else? Charge, geometry, okay, molecular geometry. Anything else? Formal charge. Anything else? Hybridization. Anything else? Resonance structure. How many resonance structure does it have? The order is 0. Okay? We have resonance structure. Anything else? Isomer. Let's stop right here. Okay, that's a lot. So you can see Lewis structure. Okay, you can get asked all this. Let's say you see 1 inch on the test, 4.8, 12, 16, 20, 24, maybe more than that. Okay? If you draw Lewis dot structure, you screw up all of that. All right? And the easy structure like water is fine, right? Most of you guys can draw water, structure of carbon dioxide. That's easy. If you get more complicated one like nitric acid, add one hydrogen into it, or maybe sulfuric acid, how many resonance structures are there? It gets more complicated and get confused on it very easy. Okay? So pay attention. We're going to start with the easy one, the list of structure. Start with the easy one. Go a little bit harder, and the highest. And we're going to go to see the test, what you expect to see. Okay? What you might see on the test. Okay? Alright, now. From here, we need to draw a list of structure. Can people in the top see it? No. You can? No. That's only one I have. Johnny, where you at? Johnny, the cameraman. Hello? No? I need one of you at the back, just you. Then you go to the next room, get a pen, anything, whiteboard. Whiteboard, not a pen. Yeah, different color, thank you. See the light here. We have problems. Seriously. Is there anyone here familiar with this thing, controlling, light controlling, whatever?
I was awful with my work. I'm so sorry.